friends, Running Kimono here. So I did go out to Walgreens today, which is Sunday, October the 1st, and got a couple deals rocking and rolling. Most of these are just rolling some Walgreens cash, no booster deals, because my Walgreens will be celebrated later in the week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I think the two most noteworthy days will be the Thursday and Saturday, with the 10 back when you spend 30 and the 20 back when you spend 45. Like that Kenny Rogers song, you got to know when to hold him, know when to walk away and play your cards and so on and so forth. I think if you wanted to just wait on a bunch of these deals, probably the smarter thing to do to get something back with a booster, a digital booster that'll probably stack with another one, than to just go today and do some stuff. However, if you have an itch to get out to the store, there's a couple deals I think you should do because they're probably going to get cleared really quickly, and we will talk about that in a second. Could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. I would be so grateful. And if you have not subscribed, if you wish to subscribe to my channel, also you would make my Sunday, and it's completely free to do as well. Okay, so let's hop right into these deals. The first one is with the Colgate Optic. It is a mouth rinse for $4.50, which is a weird price point. And then we also have a toothpaste for $3.99. So you're going to have to do a little mix and match of your dental care products. We have two very unique digital coupons that showed up this morning. That include the $3 off of a paste, that's very generous, and a $2 off of the wash. So looking at the math, grabbing one of each, it's $8.49. We have $5 in digitals melting off. You'll pay $3.49, get back a $3 register reward, making it 49 cents for the two. This is an in-store deal only because it's involving a register reward. But if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash so you're not feeling that balance out of pocket, go for it, and you will still get your register reward. Pantene deal changed a little bit. I went for these $6 products instead of the $5 products because we got a 5 off of 2 for these products. Buy 3, get back a $5 register reward. I think that's one of the deals of the week. So I got 3 of the rescue shots. This is a favorite of mine. It's just like a deep conditioning conditioner, and it's very nice. So 3 of those for $18, and I loaded this digital coupon, which is a 5 off of 2. Looking at the math here, 3 of the rescue shots for $18, subtracting that 5 off 2 digital, you'll pay $13, get back a $5 register reward, making it 8 for the 3, or $2.66 per box of rescue shots. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this without a booster. And then just to show you the gorgeous register reward that printed out for me, I am so happy with this deal. However, if rescue shots in this gold line isn't your thing, you can also alternatively grab 3 of these $5 products. We have a 3 off of 3 digital, I believe, and it's on the same promotion to get a reward, a $5 register reward when you buy 3 of them. So like the Kenny Rogers song, this is a deal I would do earlier in the week. It is the Axe men's shampoo found in the shampoo aisle for $4.99. We have this digital coupon, which is a $7.50 off of 2. The secret is with this shampoo, most stores don't really carry a lot of it. So I think by the end of the week, if you wanted to do it with one of those digital coupons, it's probably going to be gone because they don't carry a lot of it. Grabbing 2 of these at $4.99 a pop, it's $9.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $2.48 for the 2, or $1.24 per Axe men's shampoo. It is okay to use a bit of Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal without a booster. Now, over on your Fetch Rewards account, I have this progressive one of spend 20, get back like $3. So as I have a couple of store cards rocking and rolling, I am going to just continue to peck away at this one. You might have a better one than I, but it's something to work with. Now, Axe was super generous with us because they gave us all the high-value coupons today. There's another one for either the stick deodorant or the spray, which is a $7.50 off of 2. So, load all these digital coupons. The deodorant will not get cleared, so this is one you can do later in the week. Grabbing 2 of these stick deodorants at $6 and some change, it's $12.58. Subtracting that $7.50 digital coupon, you're paying $5.08 for the 2. You can use a bit of Walgreens cash if you wish to pay down that balance, and photograph that receipt to the Fetch Rewards app because this might be something for you. A lot of us are toilet paper snobs, and Quilted Northern is probably the top tier of the top tier of toilet paper. This beautiful toilet paper is $6.99, $3 reward when you buy two. We have a 50-cent digital also you have to load, and IBOTTA is giving back $1 for each. Some IBOTTA accounts I think is like $2 for each, which is even better deal. But grabbing two of these, it's $13.98. Subtracting your 50-cent digital, you'll pay $13.48 out of pocket. If you have other manufacturer register rewards from other deals last week, throw them in so you're not feeling this $13.48 out of pocket. You're going to get back a $3 register reward, making it $10.48 for the two. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this without a booster, but an opportunity for some cheap Quilted Northern. There is another deal that I absolutely love this week. It is this Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaner. We do not get a lot of deals on multi-surface cleaner, so I would definitely stock up, especially if you're a newer coupon or working on your stockpile. Load this 50 center. Grabbing two of them, it's $5.38. The regular retail price for this, guys, is 2 for $8, so some savings right there. Subtracting your digital, you'll pay $4.88, get back $1 register reward, making it $3.88 for the two. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this with no booster. And here is your $1 register reward from the deal. Max it out however many store cards you have, because this is a really good deal for some cleaner. Okay, so this next deal is for some cheap Old Spice deodorant. We're going to grab two of them. This week they're on a promotion of 2 for $13. We have this digital coupon, which is a 3 off a 2. Please make sure you have it loaded. IBOTTA is giving back $2 back for each. Alternatively, you might have a 5 back when you buy two. I only have the $2 one. Grabbing two of them, it's $13. Subtracting your digital, pay $10. $4 back from IBOTTA. $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per deodorant. You're doing this with no booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. And don't forget to photograph your receipt to IBOTTA. Now, I thought maybe Dove might have a BOGO-free digital because there were so many Axe digital coupons, but unfortunately not. In this weekend's insert, depending where you live, you might have the BOGO-free coupon, but unfortunately it's not a digital one, so just throwing that on the table for you guys. We also have this, which is the Wick. It's like a little oil for those plugs, if that's your thing. We have a BOGO free coupon. I will let you guys know that it is much cheaper to do this as a curbside than in store, because it's a little bit more in store. In store, these guys, two of them is $15.98. Subtracting the BOGO free, which is a maximum of $7. You'll pay $8.98 out of pocket for the two. It is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay this down if you're not doing this with a booster, but doing it curbside, I think it's like $6 for these instead of like $8, which is a huge price discrepancy. Check this out, guys. The regular price for this essential mist kit is $18.99 and is down to $12.49. $18.99. Like, holy moly, that's expensive. We have a $6 digital to go with this, and it's priced at $12.49 this week. Load this digital coupon. So one of these for $12.49, subtracting that digital, you're paying $6.49. Again, if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down that balance. But, you know, it's a way to get one of these kits for very cheap. The sweet treat of the week, or the scary sweet deal, is on these Tootsie Pops Double Bubbles, or the Blow Pops, for $2.79. So if that's your thing, load up. And then also a really good deal on the Complete Home. These bags are buy one, get two for free. So you're paying $2.79 for the first. The other two are free. So it's basically 93 cents. Per box of bags. Really good price point. And the Complete Home garbage bags, both medium and small, are $1.99. So you're either getting like $3 of savings, which is really tremendous. I use these all the time, these small ones, to clean up little messes for my kitties. And while you're at Walgreens, and if you have a dollar spot, walk down that dollar spot. Lots of items are 50% off. The Nice Nuts, these Carefree little liners, and then this oven cleaner. Definitely worth your time to walk down that aisle. There's some recently tagged items that are cheap, cheap. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.